your boy Matthew here, and today I'm going to be cooking some eggs. So cooking with Matthew, yeah! Oh my god, I'm so awkward. Okay, so the first things you want to put to make your eggs are some canola oil. That's so little, wow. Oh, that's so much, but whatever. You just want to make sure it spreads all around the pan. That's some disgusting oil. Oh, it looks so thick. I think my oil expired. Oops. But whatever, I'm gonna die today. So then, you want your eggs. Let's crack them up. Oh my god. Okay. Go eggs. Ew. I missed. That egg is ice. Oh my gosh. Ew. That egg's ice. Only one egg works. Wait, I'm gonna get another egg because this is not over yet. I do not know how that egg turned to ice. There's something wrong. This egg. Oh my god! Are my eggs okay? Okay, this one feels okay. Are you okay? Yes. No, it's still really icy. Why are my eggs like this? They have all died. Let me get a new one. So sorry guys, this video is still... This is not ice, yay. Finally. That's weird. It's really weird. Okay, then you want to put it on your pan. Turn on the stove. Right there. That was really weird, guys. I don't know why it was like that. What should I make today? Maybe an omelet. Start up. Hi, Toby. He thinks I'm making food for him. Make some scrambled eggs, actually. Because I'm hungry. I did not eat. I ate some chips. But, not a lot of fish. I don't think I made this okay. Wait. No, I should have let it cook for a moment and then mixed it. Oh, this video is just so messed up. This is a pancake. Look at that, that looks so disgusting. It's all the way up. It's all the way up. All the way up. Oh my gosh. Please cook quicker for the video. All I'm doing is mixing. That's all I know how to make scrambled eggs. Oh, look. Look at that. Little lumps. That's good. Okay. Whoa. Scramble that in. I see some eggs. I see some... Oh, pardon me, guys. Oh my gosh. I see some scrambled eggs already. Boom! Cooking with Matthew. Success! Yummy. They look so yellow. No whiteness at all. The yellowness took over. Yummy. I'm gonna taste test this too. But there, you know what I need? You know what I need? What do I need? Oh my gosh. Excuse me? Oh my. Is a ghost fighting with me now? The ghost doesn't like me. He's like, no, you're keeping this cabinet closed if you like it or not. And some salt. That was so much salt, oh my gosh. Keep mixing. Salt in with scrambled eggs. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yes. So I'll be right back, guys, when this is like fully cooked. Okay, guys, so I just made the eggs. They look amazing. Let me taste. Mmm. That's good. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Well, guys, I hope you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. And leave in the comments below if you want to see more Cooking with Matthew. So yeah, bye, guys.